महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताजा घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Apla Webbani. This is Anil Sable. Let's have a look towards today's top news. The limited emergency use of corona vaccines by the Moderna company in the United States has been approved by the Comptroller General of DCGI, allowed the Cipla import to vaccine. This will make the fourth Moderna vaccine available in India after the Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik's vaccine, and will be strengthening the country vaccinations drive. The central government has set a target of vaccinations all 18-year-old in the country in this regard, rapid steps are being taken to make vaccination available. The Moderna company has sought permissions for the vaccination, which celebrated in simple manner last year due to corona. Will have to celebrate in simple manner against the backdrop of the possible third wave. Domestic ideals or restrictions to feeds and public idols for feeds. In addition, the arrival of impressions processions of the Lord Ganesha has also been banned. BJP has demanded reconsiderations of restrictions. The connection between height of Corona and Ganesh Murthy. The Home Department has issued the guidelines for the Ganesha show. Clear instructions has been given to the municipality and district administration that there should be no relaxation in the restrictions imposed in the state for the control Corona. A few days ago in Lahore, Pakistan, there was a big explosion near the residence of Hafiz Saeed, a declared terrorist by the United Nations. Now it is being revealed that he was the main target of the blast that took place. A Pakistani journalist has revealed that Hafiz Saeed was the target of the attacks. He said that the Hafiz Saeed was at his home in Lahore when the blast took place. Let's have a short break. Welcome back after break. In the India second wave of the corona weekend hurts. Now the threat of in the second wave of corona wicked weeks. Now the threat of receding. However, the Delta plus variants of the corona has caused concern in the country. The new Delta is expected to bring the third wave of corona to the country. In the meantime, there is a good news. The vaccine developed in India has been described by the US as effective against coronavirus. The Covaxin developed by Bharat Biotech with the help of Indian Council of Medical Research is effective on both Alpha and Delta variants, according to the US National Expansion's mobile and laptop are stolen on the suburban railways line. Since the mobiles and laptop are not available again, the railway police has kept the insurance cover to at least get the money. For this, the railway police has prepared the proposal to including the sum insured and in the local fare Lokopai and sent it to the state government and the railway administrations. It has not been decided at end. This is likely the increase decided to suspend the $320 million vaccination contract to buy the 20 million does amend the probe into accusations of irregularities against President Jair Bolsonaro. Brazil Health Minister has announced the contract for the vaccinations of the Covaxin vaccines was signed by the two sides. Finish. So by this today top news finish. Have a good day.